Welcome to this channel and to the review of a brand new software. OneManArmy is the world's first hosted command dashboard that gives one solo operator an entire AI army from one simple platform. Instead of juggling tools, hiring a team, or wrestling with servers, you command 3 powerful AI bots from one place. At the core are Paperclip, OpenClaw, and Hermes, 3 specialized AI workers built for planning, execution, and memory. Paperclip acts like your AI CEO, OpenClaw gets tasks done, and Hermes remembers your business, voice, clients, and campaigns. The big promise is simple. Go live in under 5 minutes with no Docker, no terminal, no API key hunting, and no infrastructure headaches. OneManArmy is browser-based, cloud-hosted, mobile-friendly, and built so even beginners can deploy AI workers fast. Paperclip is the strategic brain of the operation, turning your goals into roles, plans, job descriptions, and approval-based AI hires. You stay in command while your AI CEO organizes the work like a real company structure. OpenClaw is the action layer, the field operator that runs skills, executes workflows, handles research, drafts content, manages files, and chains tasks together. You can use it from the web, Telegram, Discord, or other messenger integrations so your AI workforce is always within reach. Hermes is the intelligence and memory layer that learns your business over time. It remembers your brand voice, clients, campaigns, and context so your AI output gets more consistent, more personalized, and more useful the longer you use it. What makes OneManArmy different is that it brings all 3 best-in-class bots together in one dashboard. Most platforms give you one AI tool. OneManArmy gives you a whole stack of specialists working in parallel under your direction. The platform also includes a growing AI agent library with ready-to-deploy specialists for marketing, sales, support, SEO, social media, content, real estate, e-commerce, outreach, video, images, and more. Pick the recruit you need, click Hire, and your AI team expands on demand. OneManArmy removes the biggest friction points that stop people from actually using advanced AI agents. Hosting is handled, setup is guided, complimentary API access is included, and users can bring their own keys later if they want more control. It also comes with the OneManArmy Operators Academy, a beginner-friendly training program that walks users through deployment, bot roles, brand voice setup, outreach campaigns, mobile controls, approvals, and scaling into client work. You don't just get the tools, you learn how to command the army. For freelancers, agencies, local marketers, consultants, and solo business owners, this is positioned as a serious productivity and service delivery edge. Instead of selling AI tools, users can build and manage AI employees for themselves or clients across industries like law, real estate, insurance, local business, e-commerce, and marketing. In short, OneManArmy is built for the AI agent moment. One person, one dashboard, 3 elite bots, and a roster of deployable specialists ready to work. If you want the power of an AI team without payroll, tech setup, or tool overload, this is the command center designed to make it happen. Don't forget fantastic bonuses if you get it through my link in the description. Also like and subscribe to this channel.